Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, the meaning of isbaghul wudu is to perform the ablution perfectly. Hazrat Qurayb, the slave freed by Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, heard Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu saying, Allah's apostle returned from Arafat, and when he reached a pass, he dismounted, passed water, washed his face and hands, and did not perform complete ablution. I said, O Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, prayer. He said, prayer is ahead. Thus he mounted, and when he reached Mudalfa, he alighted and performed ablution perfectly. Then call to congregation was pronounced, and he laid the Maghrib evening prayer. Then everybody made his camel kneel down at his place of stay. Thereafter called the congregation of Isha night prayer was pronounced. He performed, led the prayer, and did not perform any prayer between the two prayers. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 139.